Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy A27. But first, before I show you, I need to explain how to navigate on the phone if you have TalkBack on, because the navigation is slightly changed with TalkBack enabled. So essentially, if you have anything that is selectable, like any option, any button, even buttons at the bottom of the screen, if you use 3 buttons navigation, then in that case, you want to simply tap on that option to highlight it, and then you need to double tap anywhere on the screen in order to confirm the selected option. In case of gestures, instead of using just one finger, now you have to use 2 fingers in order to, for example, scroll up or down, or to go to different pages, and so on and so forth. So, with that being said, let's begin by first going to the home screen. I'm gonna go ahead and actually open the background apps, or recents, to close everything at once. There we go. Now we're gonna start from the home screen, and first we need to go to settings. So in case we need to go to the app drawer, we're gonna swipe up with 2 fingers, of course. Then you should be able to find settings, so tap on settings once, and then double tap. Now over here, once you open settings, you should be able to scroll down, of course, with 2 fingers, and we need to find accessibility. Tap on accessibility once, and then double tap. Then we're gonna tap on the TalkBack once, and then double tap. Then we're gonna tap on the switcher over here at the top, double tap, tap on the turn off, and double tap. There we go. And as you can see now, TalkBack is finally deactivated. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.